time to take a look at the 16-piece magnetic nut driver set. Okay, so they are color-coded. So we got the metric on the top, we got the SAE on the bottom. We got a quarter, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch, and 9/16. So we got everything from a quarter up to a 9/16 down to the 16ths. In the metric, we got 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So everything except for the 9. I never see a 9mm bolt anyway, so that is perfectly fine. So the thing that makes this one stand out is it has magnets on there. So that way, if you need to grab onto a bolt and you need to fish that into a location somewhere where you can't really reach, this will be able to hold that in place. So you don't have to worry about dropping that somewhere in the engine bay. This can make a huge difference on your ability to get some projects done. Now, if we look in there, we can see it appears to be press set with a brass insert. That's going to be important because we want to make sure that magnet does not fall out. You can also see these are all 6-point, and they appear to be drilled out in the corners, which is going to be good for off-corner loading. They are labeled on each driver, so this is a 14mm, and we know which set it belongs to. And this appears to be designed for a 1/4 inch impact driver. So here I got a self-tapping screw, and you can see that just fits in, no issue, and that holds it in. So yeah, these are pretty awesome tools.